The ostrich, Struthio camelus, is the world's largest and heaviest living bird, native to Africa. It stands between 7 to 9 feet, 2.1 to 2.7 meters tall, and can weigh anywhere from 220 to 350 pounds, 100 to 160 kilograms, living an average of 30 to 40 years in the wild. Their large, rounded bodies are covered in soft feathers, but due to small wings and inadequate muscle to power them for flight, they are flightless. Instead, these wings are used primarily for balance when running at high speeds and for courtship displays. Perhaps, as an evolutionary trade-off, ostriches are incredibly fast runners. With their long, powerful legs, they are capable of reaching speeds up to 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour in short bursts, making them the fastest land bird. They have large eyes, which are the largest of any land animal, measuring about 2 inches, 5 centimeters in diameter, giving them excellent vision over long distances. Ostriches are omnivores, with a diet that includes plants, seeds, insects, and small animals. Because they don't have teeth to chew up food, they sometimes swallow small stones or grit to help with digestion. Ostriches are not helpless, in addition to their impressive running speed that can be a steady 50 to 60 kilometers per hour, which outrun most predators. They are also equipped with strong and sharp claws, especially on their middle toes, and can deliver powerful kicks capable of injuring or killing large animals, such as lions or hyenas. An ostrich group is called a herd and has about 10 to 12 members. They communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including booming calls, hisses, and drumming sounds, which are often used to signal danger or to establish dominance within the herd, with one dominant male and one dominant female. She will only mate with him, but he might also mate with other females. All the egg-laying females are called hens and lay their eggs in the nest of the dominant female. The dominant female eggs are positioned in the center of the nest, which is the most well-protected spot. Each egg, which is the largest of any bird, can be up to 6 inches, 15 centimeters long, and weigh 3 pounds, 1.5 kilograms. Funky fact: unlike the myth of burying their heads in the sand, they actually lie low to the ground or hide their heads in vegetation when feeling threatened to hide and avoid being noticed. By keeping their heads close to the ground, they blend in with the surrounding environment, reducing the chance of being spotted. If spotted, they will most often sprint away and outrun the threat.